I'll tell you what, today we're going to get stuck straight into the markets, and there was plenty of action there as well. Edward Boyd's been watching it, and Ed, I'll tell you what, the online bookie points bet, it really had a massive day, didn't
Ross,
it?
it had an absolute monster of a day today. Really took off after announcing US company DraftKings has given it a superior takeover offer for its American operations. That's worth roughly 285 million Aussie dollars. They previously received an offer from another bidder called Fanatics Betting, which was worth 222 million. So as you can see, its shares today jumped almost 22%. But here's its performance over the past 3 years. You can see PointsBet has had a pretty tough time. It's down about 65% in the last 3 years. The board, it's currently considering the proposal from DraftKings, but shareholders can vote on the initial takeover deal on the 30th of June. Now, the local market opened higher this morning, lifted by healthcare companies, retailers, banks and utilities. Energy and mining stocks slumped. The ASX 200 finished the day up 0.6%, and that's a 4-week high for our market. Medicine maker Mesoblast was the top health company today. Online retailer Kogan lifted too, and Abacus Property Group jumped after completing a $191 million equity raising, so it was up almost 6%. Other tops included the casino operator Star, synthetic skin maker Polynovo, and Domino's Pizza, which bounced back after a pretty tough market update last week. It was up 4%. Lithium explorer Lake Resources plunged after it pushed back its production timeline to 2027 and revealed its chief executive had paid a $100,000 civil penalty over a disclosure issue at a previous company. So it was down 20%. Machine learning stock Appen kept falling. It's down roughly 20% in the past 5 days alone. And mineral sands company Iluka dropped after being downgraded by a broker. But the Aussie dollar, it's been gaining value against a range of currencies. Here's the performance against the Japanese yen over the past month. The Bank of Japan recently kept interest rates at record lows, which has caused the yen to fall. So we're currently up almost 6% against the yen. Dollar's also been faring pretty well against China's renminbi, and that's due to China's economy lagging over these past couple of months. So it's up about 5%. Here it is against the greenback, and those gains really are partly due to the Federal Reserve having kept interest rates on hold last week. So we're currently buying about 68.5 US cents. And we've got a full frame chart to show you, looking at what the dollar has done in the past 24 hours. You can see down against the US and the Japanese, but up a bit against the Chinese currency, basically flat against New Zealand and also down slightly against the euro. But Ross, really, it has been a strong month for the local for the Aussie dollar. Really, it's been gaining a lot of value.
No doubt about that. Ed, thank you so much for that.